guys, Code of Destroy here on deck. Ow! At night time, I do not like it. Man. What the heck? Why do zombies drop feathers? On this, at least on Minecraft, Edition, they drop feathers, and it's really weird. Grab myself some hits. And, continuing off. Get myself my wood. Wait, I shouldn't make it. I'm such a noob at this game. Make myself a shovel. I hate mining. Or at least on this version. So yeah. Hopefully this one turned out the actual extreme, because last time it didn't, and it was really annoying. I know it would have been annoying for you guys to watch, so I tried messing around with the app. And I think you're kind of cool. I need to turn up my brightness. Sorry, guys. The brightness is at that. What am I gonna do? It's nighttime. Just gonna gather up some cobblestone. Start my house underground. Oh, chicken. Hopefully this does turn out as a good video, this one. And the other one didn't turn out too well. It would have been better for me to record this with the iPhone camera onto this. Make myself a... Make one of those. Make one of those. Can't see. Make myself one of those. Oh, I placed one. Put some food in there. How do you work this thing? This is really weird. Is there a bug or something? Chat. Why can't I cook? Okay, how do you... Leave in the comment section below how you can actually cook stuff. Because I'm a noob. And you guys probably can't see. Oh, I'm dumb. Validate that place. Some purple to cook in there. Oh, this is a bit better now. If this video is upside down, then a better way. Well, at least I have that. Gotta put some more in. Gotta make some torches. There we go. That's better. Gotta go mining. Cobble is my thing. Gotta make some cobble. It's my thing. Cobble, that's my thing. Gotta make some of those. Make one of those. Got myself a pickaxe. Go mining. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna play Minecraft PS3 survival anymore because it's not too great. Also, yes, iron. Can you guys share my videos to grow my channel? I'll share your videos in return, because I can go on my computer and see who shared my videos. So yeah, and yeah, please like and subscribe. As always, we can finally have lighting. Coal, we're amazing. Coal, it's cool. How do I make that rhyme? Coal, cool in the bowl. Yeah. That doesn't make sense at all. But still. Crap. There we go. Let's make ourselves some more torches, because there we go. 10 torches, that'll last a bit. Keep on mining. Hopefully we can find some diamonds soon. No, not likely, because like the second episode. I'm mining. What is this? Good night? I don't know what these things are. Just gotta keep mining, yeah. Tell me in the comments section below if it's possible to play on multiplayer, because if so, then I might bring in some subscribers. Yeah. And that's the end of this video. I'll see you all in the next one. And peace out.